In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove add-ons from Google Drive. If you've installed a few apps over time and your drive is feeling cluttered or you just don't use some of them anymore, cleaning them up is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step, explain what you're looking at, and give you a few tips along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, go ahead and open Google Drive in your web browser. It's best to do this on a computer rather than a phone or tablet because the options we need are much easier to access on the desktop version. Once your drive has loaded and you can see your files and folders, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings button. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. A small drop down will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled settings and click it. This will open a new panel or window with various options that control how your Google Drive works. Inside the settings panel, you'll see a list of sections on the left-hand side. One of these will be called Manage Apps. And this is the area where Google Drive lists all the apps and add-ons that are connected to your account. Click Manage Apps to open that section. After you click Manage Apps, you'll see a list of connected apps and add-ons. These could be things you installed from the Google Workspace Marketplace or apps that asked for access to your drive at some point. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find the specific add-on or connected app that you want to remove. It might help to read the descriptions under each app name so you're sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've found the add-on you'd like to remove, look to the right of its name. You should see a small button or link labeled Options. Click on Options to open a short menu of choices related to that particular app. Now, in this Options menu, you'll see a choice like Disconnect from Drive or Remove. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the app, but the idea is the same. You're telling Google Drive that you no longer want this app to be connected. Click on Disconnect from Drive or Remove. In many cases, Google Drive will show you a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to disconnect the app. This is just a safety step to prevent you from removing something by accident. Confirm that you do want to proceed. After you confirm, the add-on will be disconnected from your Google Drive account and it should disappear from the list of connected apps. If you have more than one add-on you want to remove, simply repeat the same process. Find it in the Manage Apps list, click Options and choose Disconnect from Drive or Remove. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to remove add-ons from Google Drive using the built-in settings so you can keep your account cleaner, more secure, and focused only on the tools you actually use.